My name is Shayan. For a long time, my mind never stayed quiet. I overthought everything. If someone replied late to my message, I wondered, did I say something wrong? If I made a small mistake while speaking English, I replayed it in my mind again and again. Even simple decisions became difficult. What if I choose the wrong option? What if people judge me? What if things go badly? Because of this, my mind always felt tired. One evening, I was sitting with my cousin on the terrace. The weather was peaceful, but my mind was full of thoughts. I kept talking about my worries. After listening quietly for some time, my cousin smiled and asked, "Do you know what overthinking does?" I shook my head. He pointed toward the sky. Clouds were moving slowly, then he said, "Thoughts are like clouds. If you hold every cloud, the sky becomes crowded. But if you let clouds pass naturally, the sky stays clear." His words made me silent. That night, I thought deeply about my habits. I realized something important. Most of my thoughts were not solving problems. They were only creating stress. The next day, I decided to try something different. Whenever my mind started overthinking, I paused. I asked myself one simple question. Is this thought helping me? Most of the time, the answer was no. So instead of feeding the thought, I let it go. At first, it felt difficult. My mind wanted to return to old habits. But slowly, I improved. I also started focusing more on action. Instead of overthinking my English mistakes, I practiced more. Instead of worrying about the future endlessly, I focused on today. Days passed. My mind became calmer. I felt lighter, more focused, more peaceful, because I stopped giving importance to every small thought. Now I understand something clearly. Thinking is useful, but overthinking steals peace. And continue moving forward.